Hello guys, today I'm going to prepare vegetable kurma restaurant style at home. This is very easy and quick to prepare. For this I have taken one onion which is finely chopped, 2 spoons of fried grams, 2 green chilies, 2 spoons of oil, 1 tomato cut into cubes, 2 spoons of grated coconut, 1 potato cut into cubes, 2 to 3 beans, 1 carrot which is cut into cubes, cauliflower which I have already boiled, half spoon of soap powder, 2 spoons of coriander powder, 1/4 spoon of garam masala, 2 spoons of red chili powder, curry leaves, coriander leaves, and whole spices of very small piece of cinnamon and 1 clove. Keep a pan in a flame and add oil to it. As oil gets heated up, add the whole spices. Too much of spice will not taste good for kurma, so you make sure that you are just adding very little. And as it gets fried, add the onion to it. Saute it until it becomes a little translucent. You don't have to fry it until it becomes very brownish in color. So as it becomes translucent, you can add half a spoon of ginger garlic paste also to it. Saute it until it becomes that raw smell of those ginger garlic paste is gone. And meanwhile you can add green chilies along with few curry leaves as well to it, and saute it until the raw smell goes off from the ginger garlic paste. So once it is done, then you can add tomatoes to it. Make sure you're adding very pulpy things to it. Fry it, it becomes little mushy, so it will take 2 to 3 minutes for that. So once it becomes mushy, you can add turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, and soap powder. Basically all powders except garam masala can be added at this stage, and saute it properly until that raw smell of that masala powder is gone. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. Then now add all veggies except cauliflower. Since the cauliflower I have already boiled in hot water, I am not adding cauliflower now. So now you properly saute it or mix it till the masala gets coated, and transfer the vegetables to a cooker and cook the vegetables in a cooker so that we can save time. So once I add the vegetables to the cooker, add just required water for the vegetables to get cooked, and cook it until say 2 whistles or till the vegetable gets cooked. Meanwhile, grind the coconut and fried grams to a fine paste. So yeah, once the coconut is ground, you can see I have to grind it very fine paste. And yeah, by now my vegetables are cooked. I'm transferring it back to the pan and adding few more water to it to the required consistency. Then add the cauliflower to it and salt. So now mix it thoroughly and let it boil. So as it gets boiled, you can add the ground paste of coconut and the fried grams to it. Mix well and bring it to boil, adding few curry leaves and garam masala. So as it gets, you can see it gets boiled. As the curry starts boiling, you can add a little bit of coriander leaves to it, and that's it. Your kurma is ready to be served. As you see, it's very quick and easy to prepare a side dish which goes very well with chapati, dosa, appam, etc. So today I'm serving it with appam to my family, but as I said, it perfectly is the best combination for chapatis. Hope you like my video. Subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.